going through this course, it's just as well it's in segments because I'm a family man and I work as well, my proper job, shall I say, for the time being. And it was good that it was segmented and I could break it down. Although it's technical, it's not too technical. Shall I say? I don't mean that in a condescending way, but it's not too technical really. And the fact is the matter, there's enough knowledge there for you to get a grip of it. And certainly if you've got a couple of old guitars that you don't mind making better or worse,
Mhm.
it's good to play and the success comes with it. And I thought it was very manageable. The fact that it wasn't condescending, there is other competitors online who are doing similar things, and
Mm.
but I've watched some of their trailers and I just felt more comfortable with you, mate. It just felt a bit more down
Nice.
to earth, kind of. This is a guy I'd have a beer with, kind of thing.
Thank you.
So yeah, it was the fact that I could stop it and continue with my normal life was important to
Nice.
me. Well, what's happening now is the older generation where I'm from bringing me test guitars. My name's getting out there, so they're bringing me their not so valuable guitars in, which is a bit of a pain actually. If it's a better quality guitar, it's easier to do a better job. I'm finding
Mhm.
it's a bit more challenging on cheaper guitars, and you've got to do some more fiddles and work a little bit more, but it hones your skills. You take these back to them; they're not expecting the world, and to be honest, you can only give so much from a poor guitar. But if there's an improvement there, that positivity comes through, and then all of a sudden they're pulling out a 4 or 5 grand guitar and going, "Can you have a look at this? I've got a problem with this,"
Exactly.
and it's spreading amongst. Oh, they've got a new kid on the block. No, there's no real other competition around here, or if it is, it's shall I say old skilled people, but. They're losing their faculties now. It sounds really terrible, but they're shaking now. Their fingers aren't as nimble, and they don't know multimedia. It's just a generation thing. And more importantly, I hang around with these old guys because I play in like some little local bands and stuff. And
Yeah.
to see their little smiley faces when they play it again, and they oh my god, that's better than it's felt for 30 years or something. And it's just a nice fulfilling feel.